Did you see the picture of this lady's hairline? Do you have any idea what she's going through? You know what she said to me? She said, "This is not fair." And I agree with her. It's very depressing and it's very difficult to deal with. But what if we took this, a translucent, see-through webbing that upon contact of the skin of the scalp, it disappears. What if we took this called a microstrand and added one human hair at a time, which is the same way hair goes out of the scalp, one hair at a time, and it became this, the finished microstrand, with one hair at a time added onto this microstrand. And what if we added this in between her hair? Not on top of her hair, but in between her own existing hair, using her own hair, giving her the ability to access and feel her scalp easily. And what if she brushed right down to the scalp and she felt the teeth of the brush right down to the scalp as if nothing was there at all? Well, to see the results, just click down below and you'll see these remarkable results and understand when you blend the translucent microstrand in between your existing hair, it disappears and you feel like you just have more hair. And in fact, it's actually just enhanced your existing hair. We didn't replace your hair, we're just enhancing it by adding more in between and bringing out your natural beauty. Just click below and see these results.